Carlyn. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I am using Curls products on my hair. If you have been seeing my last couple of videos, you know that I am on a search to find like another great wash and go combo or just products in general for my wash and goes. So I went to a curls event, like a little fashion show thing, and what was included in the little bags that they gave us were like some curls products and just some other stuff. So I'm just gonna go over everything that I've used so far really quickly. So the shampoo that I use is the Sea Moss Collection Powerhouse Sea Moss Cleanser, and it smelled like fruit. As soon as I put this in my hair, I was just like, oh, this smells fruity. So it smells really good. It cleansed my hair really well, sudsed up really good too. So I'm gonna go ahead and read right quick a little bit what it says. So it says it's a natural detox and purifying shampoo that promotes scalp health and encourages production of sebum in the scalp by drawing out toxins and free radicals. And I use this So Moist Vitamin C Curl Mask. This mask was so thick. It was so hard to get it out of this little thingy to me. I don't know if it's just the strength in my hands or because it was so thick, but it was like thick. So I wish it would have came in either like a pump or a jar, which would have made it, you know, easier to get out. But what it says on here, fortified with vitamin A, B1, B6, C for shiny, longer, thick, and healthy curls. So of course I use that right after the shampoo. And then I have this Blueberry Bliss reparative leave-in conditioner, which I've been using to detangle my hair. I probably wouldn't use it to detangle again because it's not slippery. All of these products have been like so thick, but it is good at moisturizing my hair, just not what I would use to detangle my hair again. And then I also have this Poppin' Pineapple So Def Vitamin C Curl Defining Jelly. Everything smells like so fruity. It says pineapple. This is I guess a part of the pineapple collection. I think that's what it's called. And yes, everything does smell fruity and like pineapple. So so yeah, it smells really good. So I have used the leave-in and the jelly on the rest of my hair, and I think my hair is looking good so far. And I just left this section out because I wanted to do this section with you. And oh yeah, I also have a brush that I used and I've kind of just been using it like because it is like a Denman brush, so I have been using it to detangle my hair, and I've also been using it on the ends, so that's why it looks like super curly right here at the ends, because I've been using that brush. But let me go ahead and get started, and I'll just tell you everything else about the brush and the products along the way. So I went ahead and put my hair behind my ear really quickly, and just kind of did my edges because that's how I like to, you know, have my hair behind my ear. So first thing that I've been doing, as you can see, my hair looks really bad. It looks really dry and just like no kind of definition at all. And honestly, that's how all of my hair looked. Like the rest of my hair that you see right here that looks good and done and moisturized and detangled, all of it was looking like this before I put these products in there. So we're about to make this part of my hair look like the rest of this. So first thing that I'm doing, of course, since my hair is almost like completely dry, like I'm getting it wet, like as soaking wet as I possibly can. I'm almost about to run out of water in this bottle, so I'm probably about to use just pretty much most of it. And I also want to make sure I get in between and not just like on top. And stop for a moment and just start to work some of that water into the hair, just to kind of gauge where it's at and how wet it is. And my hair is like really tangled too, So it's kind of hard to like get it open to get some of that water in. Okay, so that's enough water for now because I'm gonna put some more water on it later anyway. So this is enough water for right now, and now I'm just gonna take a small section and my hair is like really tangled, so sometimes it's been taking a while to get that small section. So put that up for now, and water is like really been dripping in my face the whole time. But okay, so now I'm going to take this Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner, and like I said, it's really thick, like thick, so it's not gonna fall out of my hand. That's how thick it is. So I mean, it's thick, but not like thick. Like I've seen thicker, but it's thick enough that it's not gonna come out your hand. And I've been like taking a lot because like I said, my hair is it was dirty, tangled, and dry. So it needs a lot of love right now. So I have been using this brush to detangle with. Now I just kind of used the bristles that were already in it to start detangling with, and I wish I wouldn't have. Well, I kind of do wish I changed it, but then again, I don't. I wish I would have, because the bristles that are already in here are a little bit too not as wide as I would like to detangle my hair. But what has been good about it is that they've been defining my curls good at the end. So so as you can see, you can like change out the bristles and stuff like that. It's really easy to do, and I'll show you when I get done with this. But a couple of times it's just been hard to detangle my hair with this size, that I had to go get my easy detangler brush and just use that to detangle some of my hair. So I am curious to see how good it would work when I change out the bristles to, you know, a little bit more wide tooth, and hopefully that'll make the difference. That'll make a difference when it comes to detangling my hair. So I'm just kind of using water as needed. Okay, so same thing again. Just putting the product on, detangle, and then go into the next section. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish detangling this, and then when I get ready to apply the rest of the products, then I'll just come back and check in with y'all. Okay, so this is my hair now, detangled with just the leave-in, and it's so much better, right? It was so dry and just nappy before. So now I'm just on the last step, where I'm just applying the jelly to my hair. And like I was saying earlier, all this stuff is, I just wish it would come in a pump instead, because my thumb hurts so bad now trying to get all that stuff out. So so I've just been smoothing it into my hair like this, just going over it a few times, just making sure everything is in there really nice and good. And then I just take my dimming brush or my brush and just define the ends a little bit. And I'm so glad that I'm almost done, because like I said, my thumb is killing me. That detangle was killing me. See, that's how I know that I can't wait. For me, like, I cannot wait longer than a week to wash my hair and detangle it, because it seems like it doesn't matter if it's a day or 5 days after I last did my hair. Like, if it's past a week, like, it's gonna be crazy to detangle. So I feel like I've been just like sitting here doing my hair all day, basically just because the detangle took so long. So I'm happy to almost be done, and I can finally go chill. I'm finally done. I want to get some more of these pieces, of these curl pieces, that act like they need a little help, but some of them just don't want to take the help. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, so I hope that this does work on my hair, because I want to say right quick, like last time, like in my last video, those products that I used in my hair, like just looking at myself in the mirror, I thought this looks so good. I mean, don't get me wrong, like I guess the shininess of my hair, like I wouldn't say that my hair came out like terrible, but just looking at myself in the mirror, I thought my curls looked good. But when I went back and looked at the video, I just thought this looks terrible. So I'm just like, that wasn't the combo that I was looking for, because I thought at first I was just like, yeah, this looks good, I'll use it again. But just like I said, looking back, I don't think that I'll ever use that again. So, or that combo together. Maybe the products separately would do better, or I don't know what the problem was, but just looking back at it, like I said, I did not like it. Of course, I need to let my hair dry, and when my hair dries, we'll come back, see the finished look. I really hope this turns out good, because right now, I always say this, but right now it looks really good, and it really does look good. Like, it looks so good right now that I really feel confident that it's gonna look good tomorrow. Like, I really have a really good feeling about these products, and I'm surprised too, because before I even started using them, I almost didn't use them, because I'm just like, I really don't feel like this is gonna work. Just a jelly, basically just a jelly. I mean, there's a leave-in too, but it's just like, to me, it's just, that's kind of separate to me. So it was just like, just a jelly. Like, I already feel like I just know it's not gonna work. But the way my hair is looking right now, I'm very confident, and I have a good feeling. So I'm just gonna keep my fingers crossed that it's gonna look good, but we will see. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, and this is my hair, and I have to say, I feel like this is the best that my hair has looked in a long time. Like, the curls are really defined, shiny. I just think it looks really good. I mean, I don't want to say too much about how I think it looks really good, because like I was saying yesterday, like last time I did my wash and go with the last products that I used, I thought my hair looked good, but then when I look back, I'm just like, that does not look good. But honestly, I really feel like this looks good because I haven't seen my hair look like this in a while. I have been doing a lot of stuff to try to repair the heat damage that I had. I even cut off a little bit of my hair, and I just think, to me, I like the way it looks. So I would definitely use these products again. Like, I'm really surprised at how good they were, because I was really suspicious about being, you know, just being that it was just a leave-in and a jelly. Like, I had low hopes. I will say too, when I woke up and finally touched my hair, it was really soft. Usually sometimes when I use certain products, they'll like leave like a I know this isn't a gel, but it's a jelly. It can use like leave like a gel cast, or your hair might just like feel a little bit crunchy, but I didn't experience any of that. Like, my hair was so soft when I woke up. So all I did was just put a little bit of oil in my hair, and I just stretched it with a blow dryer and some satin scrunchies, and this is what I got. So I am pleasantly surprised. So I would definitely use these products again. Like, I will continue to buy because it works so good to me. So I think this is another like combo, or other products in general, that I can just add and I can just use when I get tired of the Lotta Body and the gel, or I just want to switch it up or run out or whatever. So these are definitely a winner to me. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have used these, or if you would use these products. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.